Do you need to update your estate plan when you get divorced? That is the question of the day. Hey everybody, I'm Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well, and I'm here to answer your questions. All right. If, by the way, you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay. This was a question submitted by all of you out there in the TikTok, YouTube, Instagram world. I'm happy to answer it. The answer is yes, but not when you think. All right. So when you get divorced, when it's finalized, you probably should consider updating your estate plan. The reason is, if you have a will already, if you have a power of attorney, your ex-spouse is likely to be named in those documents. And it just makes it easy for the people that are going to have to work with your plan in the future if you just take them out, okay? Most state laws, though, have a rule that says when you are divorced, your ex-spouse is treated as though they died before you, which means they don't get any inheritance. They are not able to take any action with regard to any of your estate planning documents. But sometimes the world doesn't know that you're divorced, and that can be a problem if your ex-spouse is cray-cray, right? So keep that in mind. If you are already divorced and you haven't updated your plan yet, I would probably update the plan. The other time, though, probably the most important time to update your plan and update things is in the period from when you decide you're going to get divorced to when you actually do get divorced. During that time, if something would happen to you, you would be at the mercy of your soon-to-be ex-spouse, I guess. If you died, any inheritance that you were going to give them, they would get. If you named them as your power of attorney or medical power of attorney, they would technically still be in charge of making those decisions for you. So the moment or as soon as you can, after you decide you're going to get divorced, after those divorce proceedings begin, make sure you update all of your estate planning documents, power of attorney, medical power of attorney, will, those kinds of things. All right, because it can have really big unintended consequences if you don't. The other thing to remember to update is your beneficiary designations on basically all of your accounts. Most of the time you will have your spouse listed there, and you don't want that, right? Because most people don't want their ex-spouse to get all their stuff. So that's what you do when you get divorced. Hopefully it doesn't happen to you, but you know what? Chances are 1 out of 2 of you that's married, that's watching this, is going to have to do something at some point in the future, okay? You're not the one, of course. It's the other person, but just in case. All right, so that is it. If you like this, that's great. Hit the like button, subscribe. If you don't want to miss any of these things, and if you have a question or comment, please leave it. I'm happy to answer it. If you want to talk with us over the phone for free and get some more in-depth information about estate planning or probate, you can do that by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, as always, I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Appreciate you, and I will talk to you again soon. See ya.